Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Unlock Your Learning. In this video, we are going to solve ICSE Mathematics Class 7 Chapter 4 Exponents Exercise 4B Question 2, right? What do we have here? We have simplify and express the results in exponential form, right? So you see, one base is only given and two powers are given. Like the previous question, what we had was, we had a into a, right? Base was same and this base had different powers, right? Suppose a to the power m and a to the power n, right? So after simplifying, what we would get would be a to the power m plus n. Simply add these two powers just like we did in the previous one. Here we have just one base. Let us assume the number, the base, to be a for now, right? So a is our number that we will multiply, or the base, and it has two powers, right? A to the power m, this one in the bracket, outside of it, it has n as the power, right? So what we will do here is, we will, if we have to remove this bracket, right, this one, so we have to simplify our this expression, right? So what we will do is, we will write a, that will be our base will be as it is, okay, and this power m and n, these two powers, you can see 2 and 3, 2 and 3, 5 and 2, this what is written here, this will be multiplied, so a to the power mn, right? So this is mn means m into n, right? So a to the power mn, we can say, or what simply we'll say is that, here in the first part, right, what do we have in the first part? We have 3 to the power 2 to the power 3, right? So what we will do is, 3 will be written as it is, right? And 2 and 3, they will be multiplied together, 2 into 3, right? So 3 and 2 into 3 is 6, right? So 3 to the power 6 becomes our answer. Then the next one is the second part, right? And what do we have here? We have 2 to the power 2 and then 3, right? Again multiply 2 and 3, so we'll get 6, right? And so we'll have here 2 to the power 6. Alright, then the third one of this question is, we've got 10 to the power 5, right? And we've got 2 as another power. Again multiply these two powers and remove the brackets and write the number, just simple as that, right? So what will we have here? 10 to the power and 5 into 2 is 10, so 10 to the power 10, right? This becomes our answer. Now let's move on to the next part. Right? So what do we have here in our fourth part, right? What have we got here? We've got minus 2 to, again this one in the bracket, and then 3, then also a bracket, and then 4, right? You might feel it is a bit complicated because there are two brackets here, but just simply remove all the brackets, right? All of the two brackets, remove them, and we'll again see the exponents, right? We got here 3 and 4, right? So 3 and 4, again we'll multiply both of these, so we'll get our final exponent, whatever you want to say, right? So minus 2 will be as it is, and since you see here that it is a negative number, we will put a bracket here, right? This one, just so that we can distinguish that is a negative integer, right? So minus 2 and 4 into 3, 12, right? So minus 2 to the power 12, okay. And then the fifth one, we have 1 upon 10 and to the power 6, okay, I'll write it down. So 1 upon 10, right, to the power 6 and to the power 2. Again, it has no value of putting this many brackets, just multiply them, right? So 1 upon 10 will be as it is, and 6 into 2 is 12, right? So 1 upon 10 to the power 12, alright. And fractions are always written in a bracket with the exponent. So now let's go on to the next part. Now the next part of this question is the sixth part, right? And we've got here minus 1 upon 3, right, to the power 7 to the power 3. Again we will not touch the fractions bracket, right? This one, the inside one, this one which is inside, will be untouched, right? Then 7 and 3 will be multiplied, so we'll get 21, okay. So what we'll have our answer as, first of all, minus 1 upon 3, right, in the brackets, and then outside 21. That is our exponent, right? Right, then the seventh one of this question, the seventh part of this question is 3 square, right, to the power 6. Again simply multiply this, 3 will be as it is, 2 into 6 is 12, right? So 3 to the power 12, right? You can write it like this. That's very simple. And then the eighth one, right? What do we have in the eighth part of this? Right, so we have here 1 upon 5, right? It's in another bracket, and then outside of it we've got 4, then another one and 5, right? So again we will multiply this simply, right? So 4 into 5 becomes 20 and 1 upon 5 will be as it is in the brackets of course, and 20 here, right? And now the 10th one, right? Let's solve it here somewhere. So the ninth one is what have we got here? Minus 6 upon 7, right? And to the power 3 to the power 6, again we'll simply multiply this. Okay, so what will we get here? Let's see. So we'll have here minus 6 upon 7. Okay, this will be in the brackets, and 3 into 6 becomes 18, right? So this becomes our answer. Let's move on to the 10th part as well, right? So what have we got here? We've got here 5 upon 9, right? And this one's in another bracket, and then outside we've got 5 and then 3, right? So we'll have 5 upon 9 and to the power 5 into 3, that is 15. Okay, so we'll put the exponent 15 and this becomes the answer now. And friends, this is all for today. If you are new to my YouTube channel, do not forget to subscribe, hit that bell icon down below so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Leave a like on this one. Till then, take good care of yourselves and bye bye.